Is MusicBrainz Picard not opening on your computer? This problem can happen because of corrupted program files, incompatible plugins, damaged settings, or an outdated installation. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix MusicBrainz Picard not opening step by step. Let's get started. First, restart your computer and try opening MusicBrainz Picard again. You know, a simple restart can resolve temporary software conflicts and background processes that may prevent the application from launching. Next, right-click the MusicBrainz Picard shortcut and select Run as administrator. This gives the application the permissions it may need to start correctly. If MusicBrainz Picard still doesn't open, a corrupted plugin or damaged settings file could be causing the problem. Temporarily remove any installed plugins or reset the application's configuration so it can recreate a fresh settings file the next time it starts. This often resolves startup issues caused by incompatible plugins or corrupted preferences. If the problem continues, uninstall MusicBrainz Picard and download the latest version from the official website, then install it again using the default settings. You know, reinstalling replaces damaged program files that may prevent the application from launching. Finally, try starting MusicBrainz Picard again. If it still won't open, launch it with debug logging and review the log for error messages before reporting the issue. This can help identify whether the problem is related to plugins, configuration, or another startup error. And that's how to fix MusicBrainz Picard not opening. Restarting your computer, removing incompatible plugins, resetting settings, and reinstalling the application will solve most startup problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.